Welcome back. My name is Sachin, and in this video, I'm going to tell you everything you should know about Activity Auditor. So what exactly is Activity Auditor? Activity Auditor is one of the core features that we have baked onto Condense code that helps users with a centralized view of activities and logs across various components. It helps users in monitoring, tracking, and auditing actions performed in workspaces, pipelines, connectors, applications, and across user roles. This feature is essential for maintaining transparency, troubleshooting issues, and ensuring compliances within the organization policies. What we have to understand here is Activity Auditor tracks activities across workspaces, connectors, applications, roles and user management, and account actions. If you want to know more about each of these items, you can check the documentation, and as always, I have attached the link to this presentation in the video description. Now let us jump into Condense core and I'll show you exactly how you can access Activity Auditor and view different logs. Let's jump right in. In order to access Activity Auditor, hover on your name in the navbar and select Activity Auditor. Once I'm in the Activity Auditor, I can see all the different kinds of logs made by various users in the organization. I can either scroll and view them one by one, or I can use the filter option in order to filter and view exact log that I want to see. So the first filter is sort by. You can either choose to view the logs from newest to oldest or oldest to newest, or I can choose the duration. I can choose to view logs only from today, yesterday, last 7 days, last 15 days, or last 30 days. I can also choose to view the logs from published applications and in draft applications. I can also choose to view logs of input connectors or output connectors. Same for transforms, Kafka management, and settings. So what I'll do is I'll quickly select a few filters from here and I'll show you how filters work. So based on the filter that I have selected, I can view the logs only based on the filters. The Activity Auditor filters out logs only based on the selection that I have made. I can also choose to go to filters and select reset selection in order to view all the logs. So this is one of the most important tools in order to view and debug issues. And that's all about Activity Auditor in Condense core. That also brings us to end of this video. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.